Hello guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install and download Node.js plus Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. Okay, first you should open your browser, either Safari or Google Chrome, doesn't matter, and type node nodejs.org. This is the official website for Node.js. Once you entered, and here you can see two version, latest version and current version. So recommended for most user latest version. So I will click on that, allow, and it will be downloading. It will take a few minutes, not a few minutes, just 30 seconds. And okay, I downloaded actually Node.js, and now I'm going to download Visual Studio Code. Type Visual Studio Code and enter. This is the first link. This is the official website. Okay, click on that, and here download Mac Universal, and click on that. It will be also downloading here on the top, as you can see. Okay, let's just wait a minute for that to be downloaded. The download is finished, and now I'm going to the download folders here, and here, as you can see, Visual Studio Code and Node.js. I have downloaded successfully, and now let's install it. First I will install Node.js. Okay, click on that, or open. Okay, continue. Just follow the instruction, it's very easy to install. Continue, agree, install, and I have to type my password. Yeah, the installation takes minutes. Okay, it's installed successfully. Keep, and let's install Visual Studio Code. Open. Okay, open. Yeah, that's it. I have downloaded and installed Node.js and Visual Studio Code, and now you can use Visual Studio Code to write code, programs, whatever you want. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and I will be happy to help you out. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and we will see each other in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.